What's up, guys? It's TVD Pros. It's kind of loud because I'm in my car. My girlfriend's driving. But here's my Warfare 3 unboxing for you. Just got it tonight, 12 o'clock release here in Wisconsin. And most anticipated game finally here. Oh, the midnight release was crazy. I posted a video. I taped the line that was there. There's the disc. There's a booklet that no one ever reads. With crap you already know. Yeah, I'll post some gameplay and all that good stuff. And I don't know if I'll do a spoiler yet. I might do one later. But I'll have some gameplay for you. Alright, catch you later.